Hello, in this video we'll explore basic manipulations in Light Tracer Render. The program consists of three main parts: the central area with the viewport and toolbar menu, the left panel, which can be hidden if necessary, and the right panel, which can also be hidden. Located in the top left corner are the burger menu and the rendering settings. Let's look at the main manipulations in the viewport. By holding down the left mouse button, you can rotate the camera around the central object. Scrolling the mouse wheel allows you to zoom the camera in and out. Pressing the right mouse button activates the first-person camera mode, where you can also navigate with the WASD keys. By pressing the mouse wheel, you can pan the camera around. Thus, you can move the camera in the following ways: with the left mouse button held down, with the right mouse button held down, by scrolling the mouse wheel, and with the mouse wheel pressed. Select a model and a manipulator appears, allowing you to change the object's position in space. Press T. The manipulator switches to object rotation mode. Try pulling on any line and you will see how the object rotates around its axis. Press T again. Now scaling is available. By clicking on the white sphere, you can scale proportionally by selecting a colored one. Scaling occurs along the chosen axis. Pressing T again will return to the original version of the manipulator, where arrows allow you to move the object along the XYZ axis. On the left, find the Open Close 3D Manipulation widget button. A menu opens where you can also rotate, move, and scale the model, controlling the numerical values. The Reset button returns the model to its original position and proportions. See you in our new tutorial videos.